stop buying these downspouts. We have something better. Alright, I'm really excited about this because even though our downspouts worked for years, it sat up on the handrail, grew a lot of leafy greens, it was fantastic. Had a lot of people asking, is it food grade? And of course it's not. It's just a vinyl downspout from your home improvement store. So I felt bad. I was leaving some people out. I want everyone to learn how to grow some of their own food, and those who are genuinely concerned about that, I want to accommodate everybody. So I went out, found a container. It had to meet certain specifications because I didn't want it to be more in shipping than the downspouts were. And with Etsy, it's a little funny. If I went a little over on the dimensions, like from 37 to 38 inches total dimensions, that it would double in shipping. So I had to keep it within certain parameters, and I think it did that with this. So I'm really happy. Food grade container. Another benefit of it is that the top comes off, so it's easy to clean. Remember with the downspouts, we just kind of filled them up. We couldn't open them up, so we filled them up, put a little water, bleach, a little vinegar, let it sit overnight, and then next day try to get in there with a bottle brush. It wasn't the easiest thing in the world, but it was doable. Worked for years. But now with this, you pop the lid off, clean it up, put it back on, you're back in business. Also with making a lot of those, I made over 1,000, I think about 1,500 of those downspouts. When I was drilling the holes, I could tell it took about twice as long to drill through this as it did through the downspout. So this is a lot more sturdy. It's a lot more sturdy, easy cleaning, food grade, and it fits in the right size box to keep shipping to a minimum. So I think we found a winner. I put together a kit. You want to take a look inside? Alright, so what you're going to get in here, as usual, your pool noodles, your nutrients. That's enough to make a 5-gallon bucket. This holds 2 gallons, so you're going to be able to fill it up more than 2 times. Remember, you want to keep it between 1/2 and 3/4. You never want it to get down below 1/2. You want to leave your airspace at the top, so 1/2 to 3/4 has always been like my sweet spot. So you're not going to fill it up with like 2 more gallons. So this is going to fill up a couple of times for you. You'll be able to get through your first couple of grows with it. And to get started, I'm going to throw in a takeout container so that I'll cut some slots in here so you can throw a paper towel in. So right off the bat, you don't have to go looking for one. You'll be able to grow you some microgreens. And all you're going to need is a couple of seeds and you're ready to go. So you get all of that, everything you need except for some seeds, and you're all ready to get started. I know a lot of people are going to ask that I had the downspouts on a buy one get one free sale for a couple of months, so I'm going to go ahead and offer that at the very beginning, maybe for a couple of weeks. So you get 2 of these, double up on the pool noodles, enough nutrient solution to make you 10 gallons instead of 5. And if you go down to the link in the description below, I have an Etsy shop. You're going to see the new hydroponic, the food grade hydroponic grow box, and that's going to be $24.99. There's going to be a 2-pack on there that's the same price, so it's like half of the regular price. So it's basically like buy one get one free, like we did with the downspouts. And if you want the buy one get one free, make sure that you hit the 2-pack one, not the 1-pack. So y'all get out there, get your grow boxes, send me pictures when you plant them out, and then when you harvest, both times send me some pictures. Y'all been doing that for the past couple of months and I love it. We'll share it with the people in the Facebook group. And also coming up on this channel, I've also started experimenting with an insulated box, actually a bucket, and I'm going to have a video on this channel showing you how to make your own, because right now I know we're all dealing with the heat. It's hot everywhere in the country, and it's about 105 heat index here in Florida, and some of you were telling me it was like 110 or 115. That's just crazy. So during this time when it's tough to grow, I'm experimenting, and when I get done with that, I'm going to share with y'all so you know how to make one too. And of course, for those of you who don't have time, I'll put some in the shop, so don't worry about that too. If you just want to just buy one, you can just do that. but I want to show everyone how you can make it. So that's coming up. Y'all get your grow boxes, get out there, keep on growing. We'll catch you later. Love y'all.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock